In today's video, I'll show you how to add multiple choice questions in Typeform step by step. If you want users to select one or more options from a list, this is one of the most useful question types you can use in your forms and surveys. First, open Typeform and go to your workspace. From there, create a new form or open an existing one you want to edit. Once you're inside the form builder, look at the left side panel and click the Add Content button. This will open all the available question types you can add to your form. Now select the multiple choice option. As soon as you click it, the question will appear inside your form automatically. Next, type your question in the main text field. For example, you could ask something like, which social media platform do you use the most? After entering the question, start adding your answer choices. Typeform allows you to create multiple options that users can select from. You can keep the answers short and clear to make the form easier to complete. Now move over to the settings panel on the right side to customize the question. One important setting is whether users can choose only one answer or multiple answers. If you want people to select more than one option, simply enable the multiple selection feature. You can also rearrange the answer choices by dragging them into a different order. This is helpful when organizing longer lists. Another useful feature is adding images or icons to your choices. Visual answer options can make your form look more engaging and easier to understand. If the question is important, turn on the Required option so users must answer before continuing. For a better user experience, avoid adding too many choices in a single question. Keeping the list clean and organized helps people complete your form faster. Before publishing your form, click the Preview button to test how the question looks on both desktop and mobile devices. This helps you catch any mistakes and improve the overall flow of your survey. And that's it. You've successfully added a multiple choice question in Typeform and customized it to fit your form perfectly. And that's how you add multiple choice questions in Typeform. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.